to talk to you about brandy. The brandy that we're using for cooking. I don't want you to just pull out your, $100 bottle of brandy for this. I mean, if you want to, hey, go ahead and do that. It's not going to hurt my feelings. But just buy like cheap brandy for cooking with. We're just looking for some residual flavor in the dish from the brandy. And you have to have an alcohol or use some spirits that are at least 35 to 40% alcohol minimum, preferably 40. Otherwise, it's not going to ignite. You can't flambe with wine. You can't flambe with beer. It's not going to work. And you want to choose something that's going to have some residual flavor. So flambeing with vodka, not really going to do you a lot of favors. So I just bought this for like 10 bucks for a Mickey of it and just save it for cooking. That's all you need to do. You might see this on here. You ever wonder what that means? VSOP, or some brandies you'll say VS, or some brandies and cognacs you'll see XO. I'm drinking a brandy right now, and it's not this one. I am drinking this brandy. So I don't think you can even buy this brandy here. This is from when I went to Prince Edward Island on the Chef Des culinary tour. I just want to give a little shout out to these guys in case you can order it directly from their website and get it shipped to you. It is amazing brandy. It's called Myriad View Artisan Distillery. Look them up. And if they ship, I highly recommend getting this shipped to you. I've been just milking it. Look at, that was 2016. I got just under half a bottle left. But what does that mean? Here's that VSOP again. You'll see some that say VS, and the ones that say VS are very special. That's what it's short for, abbreviated for. And that means it's been aged at least 2 years. VSOP is very superior old pale is what it stands for. It means that it's aged for at least 4 years. And some brandies you'll see XO, that means extra old, and it's been aged at least 6 years. So that's what you're looking for in quality. Usually, however, this bottle here, again, I paid 10 bucks for, and it says VSOP on it as well. I'm not slamming these guys at all, but I mean, it's nothing compared to this. So buy this for cooking, buy this for drinking, and you can thank me later. All right.